A question for you.
What?
Why this morning? It was so hard to wake you up this morning, Charlotte.
Because I want to continue my dream.
Really?
Yeah.
You're dreaming?
Yep.
Oh, was it nice, your dream?
Yes.
Oh, that's
Now
why.
it's about a big heart.
Big heart? What's the color of the heart?
That was red.
Red?
Yeah.
Oh.
You know,
so
every
cute.
heart are red.
Really?
Yep.
Oh. That's so funny. Because this morning it was really hard to wake up you. I will show you the video, okay?
And can I make you a YouTube channel?
You will make a YouTube channel?
Yep.
Okay. Okay. I'll show you the video now this morning. Because I was taking video to you this morning when I tried to wake you up. Okay, are you ready?
Yep.
Okay. Charlotte, it's time to wake up, my love. Charlotte, we'll go to church. Darling. Charlotte. Charlotte. Hey, my love. Charlotte. 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 It's time to wake up na, my love. We will go to church na. Charlotte. Hey. Hey. Tulog. Darling. Ha?
Feeling yung deal.
Charlotte. My Charlotte. Uuwian niya. Darling.